Welcome to the 17th edition of the Women Farmer of the Year Competition Awards. Today, we celebrate the resilience, dedication, and innovation of Eswatini's incredible women in agriculture. These trailblazers are not just feeding our nation, but driving economic growth and sustainability into the agricultural sector.
Ligama lami lekudalwa nginokuthula Sibonga kaMkhabela. Ngase sengitfola leli jaha lelihle lelenzela onke amajaha nabamathebula. Umkhicito wami lengiwendako mina ngamathebula ngifuye timbuti. Timbuti lengifuyile lokho ukuthi ngaqala ngafuya imbuti zesintu. Kasi nathi 150 ngase sengitfola iwewe lesihlobo sebhuwa bhoma. Ngiyisole sefika ngakhosa lezimbuti zami. Ngase sengiba nema-cross alezimbuti. Aphinde ngashintsha ngathola lesinye isiwewe. Ngabreeda ngaso ngase sethi iya ku-original imbuti zami. Timbuti tami sethi tonke ngathi nyalo ling-98 ngalolu hlobo. Sengilima-ke nema-vegetables. Ama-vegetables libe ngikhiphile nje nyalo February January belilime ikhabishi belingu-3,500. Nyalo ngeMsombuluko bangitshele bakanamgodi bangitshela ukuthi selikhona ikhabishi futhi i-order 4,000. Ngibona lengiwafaka phakathi. Ngilimile natamatisi. Tamatisi ngilime kancane ngalo kokuthi sengawuhlanganisa namabhebanga u-800. Ngiyafuya futhi ngifuya letinyosi. Emabhokisi lenginawo etinyosi angi-38. Nginayo nemakethe yaloluju. Ngithathelwa baka-Africa Works.
Started off of a basis of being unemployed back in 2020, 2019. So my then boyfriend, now husband, and I were discussing how we can probably create an income stream for ourselves. And we have quite some space back at home, kayakse, malkense, maplazini, crew. So that's how it started off, with a very small garden. And yeah, we're here now. We specialize in herbs and in exotic vegetables. So in my herbs, like your parsley, basil, different types of parsley, different types of basil, coriander, so many herbs. There's just so many things. But we also do vegetables like your red lettuce, your butter lettuce, your Roman lettuce. We have chilies, different types of chilies. We've got spring onions, we've got chives. We have a lot. I think it's the confidence, but I'm a very shy and introverted person. But I think ngendlela lokuchaza ngayo nje abantu mhlawumbe mabafika baka women farmer babuka ukuthi okay sisi wenda ini, I think nabo bachazeka ngendlela le senda ngayo noma ke le ngenda ngayo tinvo tami. I guess I think mhlawumbe nami ngiwine kanjalo, and God's grace, to be honest.
Ngase-ke ngiyaqala-ke ngiyalima 2021. Ngaqala nje ngekulima a small portion lapho engihlanyela khona about 300 lettuce. Ngilimele ukudla nekuthengisa ngasemakhayeni, and then ngakhula. Ngisakhula ebhizinisini ngagcina sengisaplaya abo-Boxer, Save More, Titolo nje ngathi Dumkhulu. Ngaqhubeka kwaba ne-competition yaka-Step Up le sponsorishwa ngu-S-Now kanye na-CFI. Ngayijoyina lapho-ke bese ngilima i-portion lenkulu compared to le bengiyicalile ngilima ekuqaleni. Ngaba nenhlanhla yokuthi ngiwine Step Up, sakhona kungiqhuba kokuthi nami ngithi iKhanzase ngikhona kulima 2,000 tomatoes. Ngakhula kanjalo ekulimeni, nganga-give up noma ngabe ama-challenges bekakhona. Fake ikhathi bo-climate change, uthi ulimile ushaya esangxotho ugcine songasatholi lutho. But-ke ngaqhubeka, I persevered kuko konke lebengithi ngiyakwenza noma ngiphokophele lapho ngifuna kufika khona.
Leli award lengilithola namuhla empilweni yami ngibona iyagucuka. Kulokhu le bengiko kona ngibona ichubekela phambili. Ngoba tinfo lengititholile, tinfo le bengitidzinga kakhulu empilweni yami. Lokusho ukuthi-ke namuhla ngiphakeme kakhulu, ngichubekela phambili kakhulu kunayitolo.
Kimi njengemfundisi icalele kulima lo ngakukhanzumba ekhaya kwendiwa. Kusho info lenkulu ngingasho ukuthi namuhla it's a dream come true. Ingikhomba ukuthi naku la ngiyakhona angichubeke ngingayekeli because bengicala kungenela le competition and ngiyamangala kakhulu nekujabula ukuthi nami I'm one of the top 10s.
To win this award to me is very significant. It means a lot. It means my efforts are being recognized. It means what the business Fresh Leaf is doing is being recognized and being taken very seriously. Although I have fears that maybe I farm in a very small scale or herbs, some people will take herbs very lightly, but it's something huge and it's something that's got a huge potential. And I think we have space to diversify ourselves. So this has just given me a confidence boost to say that it's possible.
Kubomake labaqalako nalabangakaqali ngingabakhuthaza kakhulu ukuthi Nkosi yami abasihlathele lithuba la ka-agriculture siyaphila asilambi la ka-agriculture asikho sidingo sesushiye bamfana babodwa ekhaya uyofuna umsebenzi imali ikhona ekulimeni le mali lela kulimeni ayifanani nalo mhlabathi ukuthi mhlambe iyangcola iyafanana yonke siyakhona ukubambisana nabo babe emakhaya through agriculture.
That I have to women of my age in agriculture, I would just say go for it. Whatever that you have in mind that would actually give you an extra income or a basis of income, please do go for it because we live in an economy that's very, very expensive, firstly. So you need something to hold on to in terms of monetary. So I just encourage you to start whatever idea that you have. It'll come into fruition eventually.
I-message lengingaba nayo specific ngingayindlulisa kubamfula abasha since I'm also a youth licalele ibhizinisi kungaba kusho nje ukuthi umhlaba asingawubukeli phansi umhlaba it is our gold lesinayo eveni singayingeke ukuthi imisebenzi kude yebo sinayo indlela yokuthi thina singaticasha ngokuthi siqale kulima njengaloku sivile nje ukuthi tiningi imali letiphuma eveni ngaphandle tiyothenga kudla compared to kulesi tithengela kona thina locally so lokho kungaba ukuthi kukhuthaze abantu labasha ukuthi abasukume phasi balime baqale i-agribusiness kungaba ukuthi ufuya inkukhu ungena engadini unetimbuti noma ngangiluphi uhlobo lokulima ngoba sikubone kakhulu ukuthi ingolokusimisa live.
One of the sponsor NMC recognizes and honors outstanding women in farming who have made significant contributions to Eswatini's agricultural sector. From small-scale farming to large agribusiness ventures, these women are proving that agriculture is the future.
No, asibonga kakhulu ukuthola leli thuba la eRiders Ranch ukuthi besingaphawula nathi singu-NMC ngendlela lesibambisane ngayo na the Women Farmer Foundation ukuze ukuthi kube yi-success lo msebenzi lesingawo namhlanje la khona kutawuhomeliswa bomake labalishumi labakhulile nalabanye labancane labasikati labalishumi labahambe embili ekukhiciteni ngokwehlukahlukana noma kungaba dilwane noma kungaba dipito noma kungaba ngumbila eveni laKangwane utawati ukuthi thina singu-NMC vele i-interest yethu lenkulu akusiko ukuthi si-selfish but we are most interested in making sure ukuthi le live liyadondla ikakhulukazi emabhonjisini nasembileni.
Indima ledlalwa ngumndeni wami inkulu kakhulu kwamanje ngingakhuluma ngemndeni inkulu kakhulu ngoba noma ngangendani bahlala hlezi baseceleni kwami noma ngangendani noma ke kuyenteka ukuthi mhlawumbe bede batosithathela lo mkhicito nale mali angibese sengiyigodla iba ngemuva ibuya ibekwe etafuleni ubonakale ukuthi ngibhile ngene ebhange lenye yenta ini umango wabo kumbi yabo cishe bonke bayafisa ukungena la ngikhona khona bayafisa ukujoyina i-Women in Farming bayafisa kwenta nakule ngikwentako ngoba bayabona ukuthi indlala ayikho siyaphila kangangokuba noma labahluphekile beta batocela lusido angibe solo ngibheka le like nje tinsanzane ngiyatikhelela nato tihambe tiyokudla bantwana bendlu enkulu nasesikoleni ngiyakha ngihambe nginikele emaveji kuphekwe impilo iqhubeke.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ku-Women Farmer Foundation losekele kakhulu balimi baseSwatini. Nathi sidivela sijabulile kakhulu lapho khona sikhule sathi ukuthi kulima akuthatheleki etulu noma abakuthathi njengendvolo engazuthi inesisindo. Kepha namuhla ngekulima siyabona ukuthi singalakha leli live. Ngiyabona ukuthi you can be a billionaire with farming only. Ngingakasho ukuthi ucashwe because nasikhomparisha imali loyitholako ekulimeni naloyithola emsebentini yiningi kakhulu leyokulima. Yiningi kakhulu leyokulima udikhanza abantu imvula etiningi kakhulu nawe lobongakaboni ukuthi ungadenta.
Just to thank you, the Women Farmer Foundation, for their support and recognition. Thank you to the Paiva family. Thank you to the Ministry of Agriculture. Siyabonga kakhulu. It doesn't go unrecognized.
Laba labawinile nalabangawini labe bangenele lo mncintiswano lokuthi nawakawini khona lokufunzile nawuwinile futhi akusho ukuthi uyawuhlala ungunumber 1 abaqhubeke babuyele emuva emakhaya bayawuqhubeka basebente kakhulu kunakuqala so that eminyakeni lotako ukuthi abaneke ukuthi bahlomele bathola imhlomelo emkhulu kodwa lokumnanzi kakhulu ukuthi ungakhompiti esigabeni sokuthi ukhompita nje ukuthi utafika uwine ka Women Farmer of the Year competition khompita nekwe ukuthi umkhicido wakho nangabe lo ungaka bowufeyila ungafika emarket khompita ngeke ukuthi utawushintsha esigabeni sokuthi ugcine wonke umkhicido wakho lophuma engatseni ungafike ureject emarket ngeke ukuthi awamit la standards. So ke khompita ngeke ukuthi wena you want to do the best with your ability ukuthi umkhicido wakho utawuphuma esimini uwamithe ema-requirements emarket nginako ke thina lesingakukhuthata nje kakhulu singabhani ukuthi akube ngileyo ukuthi ke bahambe babombasada phela bafundzise labanye nokuthi kuyaphilwa ngala ekhaba ukulima kuyaphilwa ngala ekhaba umbila kuyaphilwa ngala ekhaba amabhontshisi sicabanga ukuthi lokho kutawenda sinelevel ifike kulesigaba sokuthi likhicide kudla lokwanele ukuthi litonde lona lena sithi ke sekule food sovereignty even la kangwane.